Hello everyone, welcome back to Full Scholarship video series where we bring you latest updates on scholarships and other educational opportunities all around the world. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Erasmus Mundus EMLE Scholarship 2025. So, if you are looking for an amazing opportunity to study law and economics across multiple countries with all expenses covered, the Erasmus Mundus EMLE Scholarship for 2025 could be exactly what you are looking for. This is a fully funded 1 year master's scholarship that lets you experience the world of law and economics in depth. And the best part, you will study in three different countries, getting degrees from top universities worldwide. So, if you are passionate about law, economics, and international experience, stay tuned as we dive into the details of the EMLE scholarship. First, let's talk about what exactly the EMLE program is. The Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Degree Scholarship offers EMLE or European Master in Law and Economics, a highly respected 1 year program funded by the European Commission. It is a unique program where students will not only get academic training but also gain practical international experience by studying at top universities in different countries. The program kicks off in October 2025, but you will need to apply by January 15th. The application results will be announced by July 2025. Now, moving on to the key information about the EMLE scholarship. One of the most exciting things about the EMLE program is its global reach. The study locations include countries like France, the United States, Spain, Belgium, Germany, India, Italy, and Netherlands and Poland. Here is how it works. Firstly, you will start either in Spain, Germany, or the Netherlands. Term 2, for the next term, you will continue in Germany, the Netherlands, or Belgium. Term 3, which is thesis. Finally, for your thesis, you will have options across multiple countries, including India, Germany, Italy, Poland, France, and even the USA. This means you will experience different cultures, legal systems, and academic approaches, all while studying within single cohesive program. Now let's talk about the benefits. The Erasmus Mundus EMLE scholarship is fully funded, covering all essential expenses, including full tuition fee for entire year, health insurance for your well-being while studying abroad, travel costs and visa fee, so getting to your host country and moving between terms is all taken care of. Plus, you will receive monthly stipend of 1400 euro to cover your living expenses. These benefits make this program one of the most financially accessible options for the students passionate about law and economics. Moving on to the partner universities, the EMILY program partners with 10 prestigious universities in both Europe and beyond. Here is quick rundown. European universities include Erasmus University Rotterdam in Netherlands, University of Hamburg in Germany, University of Ghent in Belgium, Aix-Marseille University in France, University of Vienna in Austria, Warsaw School of Economics in Poland, LUMSA University in Italy, and Fabra University in Spain. So you can view the complete list of the universities which partner with the EMLE program on our website. They are mentioned here. Here are the European universities and non-European universities. So now let's cover the eligibility criteria. The EMLE scholarship is open to students worldwide. To qualify, you will need a bachelor's degree. Either a 3 or 4 year degree is acceptable. If you are a final year student and will graduate by July 2025, you can still apply. While students from any academic background are eligible, preference is given to those with backgrounds in law or economics. But if your background is different and you are passionate about the field, a strong motivation letter can make a difference. To apply for the EMLE program, you will need to prepare few documents, which include your degree certificates and transcripts, a motivation letter explaining why you are interested in this program, recommendation letters from your professors or mentors, proof of residence, a complete application form, and a proof of English proficiency. However, some students from English speaking countries may be exempted from this. Take time to prepare these documents carefully as they will play a crucial role in your application success. Now, the selection process. The selection process for EMLE program is based on multiple factors. The breakdown is as follows: academic qualification account for 40% of the evaluation. The quality of your motivation letter is 25%. Your relevant studies in law and economics make up 25%. And finally, recommendation letters contribute 10%. So, putting in effort on each part of the application is key to make your application stand out. Lastly, let's talk about the application process. Applying for the EMLE Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is straightforward. Simply go to their website, fill out the online application form, and upload the required documents. Remember, the deadline is January 15, 2025. So make sure to get everything in on time to give yourself the best chance. In order to view the complete details about this program, you can visit our website, thekashmirloop.com or fullscholarship.net. Here we have mentioned the link to apply, but currently the server is down. I guess it's not loading the website. So what you have to do is visit on this link when the servers will be available again. So there you can apply for these scholarships. We have previously shown how you can apply for the Erasmus Mundus programs. You can watch one of those videos, how you can register and how you can fill out the application for these programs. So currently the servers are not available for this website, so you can check that later. So that's it for the Erasmus Mundus EMLE scholarship. It is an incredible chance for the international students to deep dive into the fields of law and economics. This 1 year journey will not only boost your education but also connect with you, the peers and professors from around the world. So if you are interested, don't wait, start preparing your application, and who knows, by the next October you could be on your way to an unforgettable international experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarship, and also follow us on Instagram for upcoming updates on scholarships and educational opportunities all around the world. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.